My name is David, and this is Ianda Cibro Paracord Design. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this right here. There is no name for this design. I do this as stress relief. Whenever I want to make something, I just do it in the form of cord. Basically what you want to do, you want to start off with a regular cow's hitch, and you want to make sure both your cords, when you come up top, go to the same side. What I have here is a slack of cord. This is my testing cord, so make whatever size you want as testing cord, and then go from there with an actual color, or you could do a two-tone or anything else like that. Alright, let's get into this tutorial. This is going to be very fast and simple. The process of this weave is very quick. So here we go. What you want to do first, you have your two cords to one side. You have a low cord and a high cord. What you want to do is take your low cord, bring it up through the design, and then you want to take your high cord and you want to loop it from underneath over back through the loop created on the right hand side, and then you just take the middle cord that came up and you want to bring that right down through the loop that was created right through the center. I'm going to do this tutorial all the way through, and just follow along. This is a very simple weave. I just thought of it at random. Like I said, I'm not going to make a name for this. If anybody wants to create it themselves, they could. If you want to sell it, you're also welcome to do so. And you just keep repeating that process, what I've shown you just right here. I'll show it a little bit slower so that you can get a feel for it. Like I said, you want to loop over your core strands, and then you want to bring that center cord up through the middle, tightening it up as you go, and then when you come through, you want to take the weave in the middle right back down through the center, and you just follow that all the way through. And that is basically it. I'll just go ahead and finish this up so that people could get a good measurement of it. I'm using an 8.5 inch wrist size and 5/8 buckles. And this color of cord is titanium gray. And just keep following through the process and you should be good. It's very fast, easy to make weave, kind of like a snake knot as well. This one has a little bit of a different feel to it, so you might want to make it a little bit loose on the wrist, as the bottom side has a nice ridge to it. Alright, just continue through. Also, if you like this channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And also make sure to hit the bell icon so that you get notified for future tutorials. Alright, I think I'll go ahead and end this here, as this may take a little bit too long. So I want to keep the video short, and thank you, and have a nice day.